quick and easy Christmas dessert of Portuguese origin. Aletria Vermicelli Pudding. If you know how to cook porridge, you can do this in just 5 minutes. Promise. And it's delicious. Please join me at my small kitchen for some learning and fun. Hello, warm welcome. We're making a very simple dessert. It's a Christmas dessert, actually. We're seeing here eggs and milk. So it seems like we're making flan de leche. But this isn't enough. We're economizing. So we are extending it. We're extending the volume by adding vermicelli or pasta. You can also use rice. By the way, this dish comes from Portugal, where it is called Aletria. It's vermicelli pudding. It's Christmas pudding. It's easy to make. I think all you need is 7 minutes. Let's just boil the milk. By the way, the list of ingredients are in the description box. Very limited ingredients. I haven't presented the rest of the ingredients. Besides the eggs, we need cinnamon sticks. You can also use cinnamon powder if you don't have sticks. And we need lemon rind, just to give aroma to the dish. Just the skin. Just the skin. It doesn't look good in camera. Yeah. This is just a leftover from the lemon that I used for the black paella last night. So why will I use this if I have leftover? Let's just add it there. Just have it boil. There's another story here to tell. My cameraman was telling me, get rid of this Romulo. Surprised, because before shooting this, I was cooking a Christmas. It's not a very Christmas dish, but it is a simple and special dish. It is a mild chicken curry. Chicken curry with pineapple. Look at that. Let's put it back. And if you're interested in knowing how to prepare that child-friendly, mild, with pineapple, a chicken curry, there's a link to the recipe here. Let's go back to this Portuguese Aletria, or vermicelli Christmas pudding, or vermicelli pudding. I did not tell you that we also need butter to give extra creaminess to the dish. We have to hide this. To add creaminess to the dish, we add butter, 2 tablespoons, which fortunately that's what I have left. Let's put it here. 7 minutes. I think we need some explaining to do. We can use a variety of vermicelli or pasta, but this is the best. Video. This cooks the quickest. 5 to 7 minutes it cooks. And compared to the spaghetti or to the pancit bihon, if you're using pancit bihon or sultanhon, just crumble them to reduce them into these sizes. Into this size, I should say. Rice is also good. Anything that absorbs water well. The sticky rice is the perfect replacement. But again, why am I choosing video? Because it cooks the fastest. We can prepare our eggs. We just need to separate the egg yolks. Yeah, that's a mistake. Let's do it again. Tool. We might as well use the tool. Oh, I'll get it. For the meantime, it's boiling. Why don't we add the vermicelli now? Just 2 tablespoons of milk there. I tasted it, and we added sugar and the butter. We also discard the cinnamon break or cinnamon sticks. This one has to be discarded also. Yeah. This mix. Okay. I just remove it from the flame, and I'm adding the egg yolk now. Portion by portion. We don't want it to cook. Notice that it looks like porridge, but this is pasta. And you know what happens? It absorbs the wetness. It will become dry later and will take its form. We'll pour it here. And just let it cool. And once it has cooled, we will decorate it. Come back for that. Look, from that wet state earlier, it has now dried and has taken form. Which means we can now decorate it and serve it. Let's top it with cinnamon powder. This is just an option because it's Christmas time. We'll give it a Christmas feel or a Christmas motif. How about a star? By the way, this is an option. Look, a star. Presenting our Portuguese Vermicelli dessert. Simple Christmas pudding. It's vermicelli pudding. Really delicious. Honestly, it's on the sweet side. I should have reduced the sugar. I just followed the recipe. But it's easy. Imagine 7 minutes. It was done.